These are the most popular earbuds on Amazon right now. Not the Apple AirPods, but the Tozo T10 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They have over 7,000 reviews and a 4.3 rating. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Okay, 600 milliamp hour battery charging case, 3 hours of music time, 5 hours of talk time, and IP68 water resistance. In the box, we've got some paperwork. We'll get rid of this. Charging case itself, a little bit large, but feels pretty nicely built, magnetic. The earbuds themselves click right into place, magnetic as well, and probably got some charging cable and ear tips here. Ear tips and charging cable. I've been using the Tozo T10 for a couple of days now, and there's a lot to like here. I can definitely understand why these are the most popular earbuds on Amazon at the time of filming. And I think one of the biggest reasons is because of the price point. These come in at $49.99, and that includes the earbuds, the charging case, as well as multiple replacement tips. The build quality of the earbuds themselves, as well as the charging case, is much better than I was expecting. They feel really solid in the hand, and the magnets in the case are pretty strong, so it's very satisfying when you drop them into place. Works really well. The case is a little bit large, especially if you want to keep it in your pocket, but if you're just going to throw it in your bag, it's not going to make any difference. The only aspect of the build quality that I did not like was the face buttons on the earbuds themselves. They feel a little bit too clicky and a little cheap. The right earbud is the master, so when you pull them both out, the left will connect to the right and it'll pair up to your phone or whatever you're connecting it to. Getting into the fit and comfort. Now, I'm one of those people that can't use Apple's AirPods or really any of Apple's earbuds because the way they're designed, they constantly fall out of my ears with even the slightest movement. In fact, I recently reviewed the latest AirPods and that was my biggest complaint about them. I can happily say that with the Tozo T10, that's not the case. These are angled downwards and have a silicone tip at the end so they fit nice and snugly into your ear canal. The standard tip worked great for me, but they also come with 3 other varieties. I used them for over 2 hours in a stretch and didn't have any discomfort. I even used them in the gym and they didn't fall out once. Speaking of using these in the gym, they're rated IP68, so they should do really well with both water and sweat as long as it's not for extended periods of time. That all sounds great, so you should drop everything you're doing and order them right now, right? Well, not so fast. To come in at the price point of $49.99, sacrifices had to be made. And with these, it's definitely with the sound quality. It just isn't very good. If you're an audiophile, you shouldn't even be looking at these things. Well, what about for everyone else? I spent an extended period of time listening to multiple genres of music, from hip-hop to alternative to electronic, and the bass is non-existent and the highs just sound very muddy. The overall sound isn't crisp or clear at all. The AirPods definitely sound a lot better, but then again, for 3 times the price, they should sound better. These do get really loud, but near max output, the audio gets really distorted. They don't sound completely awful, they're just adequate. I found call quality to be subpar on my end. However, the person that I was speaking to didn't have any issues hearing me even with background noise, so the microphone seems to work really well. If you're someone that's usually happy with whatever headphone solution a company provides in the box with their phones, like Apple or Samsung, you're going to have no issue with the sound quality of these. Or if you're someone that needs some comfortable, convenient wireless earbuds that aren't going to break the bank, go ahead and pick these up. I think you're going to be really happy. If you're a little bit more serious about your audio and really want to hear the details, then these probably aren't for you. That's it for me this time. Bite that subscribe button, hit that like, and I'll see you next time.